Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to REALME GT Neo 2. First of all, open Play Store on both smartphones and type in Send Anywhere in the search bar. Then download this app from this developer and tap on Open. From here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now select Receive on REALME and Send on Xiaomi. Then select all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will choose all of those files and send them right away. It will take a while though to send all of them though. I will go with only this one song. Just send and tap got it. From here we have two connection ways. We can input this pin over here and tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on the scanning icon on REALME. Now just while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. After that, wait a bit. And now as you can see, my song was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!